going to do, I'm going to take my wild orange. Now I could also use lemon. I'm using wild orange just because I have more in it than lemon. My lemon's running a little low. So I'm just going to use my wild orange and put a drop or two here, and then another drop or two, maybe a few, whatever, here, and then rub it around. And already I can feel like that gummy, sticky horribleness dissolving and coming off. Let's see what's going on over here. Yeah, it's getting the gunk off, and the longer, you see how it comes right on off? Perfect. And the longer I let it sit, the easier it's going to be, and there's not any residual stickiness underneath there. Look at that. Oh, gone. Glorious. Ew. It just kind of eats through that gunk. So this works, like I said, with the lemon. It probably would work with the lime, but I would definitely use the